ZenBooker Review 2025 Best Online Booking Software. Most people get online booking software wrong by assuming they're all the same, but ZenBooker in 2025 has some features that make it stand out. ZenBooker is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, including salons, studios, and service providers. You won't believe what happens next. It offers seamless appointment scheduling, automate reminders, and integrated payment processing, all in a single platform. Clients can book online, reducing no-shows and freeing up staff time. The surprising truth is that ZenBooker also provides robust reporting tools. You can track appointments, revenue, and staff performance, making it easier to optimize operations and improve client experience. It integrates with Google Calendar, Icle, and Zoom for virtual services, giving businesses flexibility in managing both in-person and online appointments. Its interface is intuitive, which means minimal training is required for both staff and clients. Automated text and email reminders help reduce cancellations, while the payment processing feature supports multiple methods, including credit cards and mobile wallets. However, ZenBooker may not be ideal for very large enterprises because it focuses primarily on small business workflows. Pricing is competitive, especially considering the range of features included without requiring additional add-ons. In conclusion, ZenBooker in 2025 is a powerful online booking tool for businesses that need a simple yet comprehensive solution. If you want automated scheduling, reminders, integrated payments, and useful reporting, ZenBooker can save time and boost productivity. For small to medium service-based businesses, it's definitely worth considering.